Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a meme. Now first, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to open a new tab and go to this website. It's called sketch.io and it's free. It's like an online thing and I make memes on it. It's very easy to use. So what you're going to do is you want to find the template for a meme. So I used the surprise Pikachu meme because it's actually very recent and it's not dead yet. So I used this meme template, and I basically went inside of here and I used the text editor and I put some text over it and then I made a meme. Now if you want to make like a meme that has more spice to it, you could go online and search up for like emoji transparent. And then you pick the one, like, you pick this one. You could pick any of them, but say you pick this one, or actually, that one's not good because it already has the thing. You can pick any of these, but to make a good meme, you can do stuff like that. You can copy the image. You go back in here, and then you paste it in. And then you can use your mouse to kind of like drag it and crop it and stuff. And you can put it inside of the meme, and then what you want to do is you want to save it, and you just save it. And then another website you can use is Deep Fried Memes. Hold on, I messed it up. Just give me 1 second. You can type in Deep Fried Memes, and you don't want to go to the Reddit page. You want to go to the meme deep fryer. And what this does is it automatically deep fries your meme for you, and it's very good for subreddits like Deep Fried Memes and I don't know, any other subreddits. You can also crop the picture and add more emojis to it. This website's cool because you can change the amount of like saturation you want on your thing. You can also turn down the contrast all the way and increase the brightness all the way. And it takes a second to do it. Then you just save the image, and then you can just post it to places like Reddit or Twitter. I wouldn't recommend putting this on Facebook though, because your grandma might not understand. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye.